Welcome to the RCC podcast. Let's understand the concept of money. The invention of money is one of the important and fundamental inventions out of various inventions in the world which has brought about a revolutionary change in the economic life of human beings. Various goods and services are bought and sold with the help of money to satisfy human wants. Modern economy is dependent on money. Money which is in circulation today was created to reduce the difficulties in the barter system. Barter system refers to exchange of goods for goods. Difficulties in barter system. 1. Problem of double coincidence of wants. 2. Lack of common measure of value. 3. Difficulties in storage of goods. 4. Indivisibility of certain goods. And 5. Problem of making deferred payments. Let's move on to the definition of money. According to Professor Walker, money is what money does. Evolution of money. Money has come into existence by evolution and not by revolution. With passage of time, the commodities which were used as money have changed depending upon the need of time and development of civilization. Money used in modern times is a result of many evolutionary changes that took place over a long period of time. Following are the types of money which very well explain the evolution of money. Types of money. 1. Animal money. 2. Commodity money. 3. Metallic money. 4. Metallic coins. 5. Paper money. 6. Bank money or credit money. 7. Plastic money. And finally, 8. Electronic money. Qualities of money. The qualities of money are as follows. 1. General acceptability. Money must be easily accepted by all for exchange purpose. 2. Divisibility. Money should be easily divisible into smaller denominations to facilitate small transactions. 3. Durability. Currency notes and coins are being used repeatedly and shall continue to do so for years together on account of durability. 4. Cognizability. Money must be easily recognized. It should have certain distinct marks so as to avoid confusion by the receiving person. 5. Portability. It should be easy to carry from one place to another without any difficulty, expense and inconvenience. 6. Homogeneity. Money of a particular denomination must be homogeneous or identical in its features. And 7. Stability. Money should have a stable monetary value. It serves as a measure of value to exchange goods and services. These goods can be sold and purchased in future as per requirements. Next, let's discuss the functions of money. Part A. Primary functions. 1. Medium of exchange. The most important function of money is to serve as a medium of exchange. Any commodity can be purchased or sold for money. And 2. Measure of value or unit of account. Price is the value of a commodity or a service expressed in terms of money. Money enables to compare the prices of commodities. Income and expenditures of all kinds, assets and liabilities are stated in terms of money as a unit of account. Part B. Secondary functions. 1. Standard of deferred payments. Payments to be made at a future date is called deferred payments. By serving as a standard measure of payment over time, money makes borrowing and lending easy. 2. Store of value. Money not only satisfies wants in the present but also makes provision for satisfaction of wants in future. This is possible due to savings. And 3. Transfer of value. Money enables transfer of value from person to person and from place to. C. Contingent functions. 1. Measurement of national income. 2. Basis of credit. 3. Imparts liquidity to wealth. And 4. Estimation of macroeconomic variables. Concept of black money. Black money is any money which is received in cash but not accounted for and on which tax is not paid to the government. Black money is tax-evaded income. It can be earned through both legal and illegal means. Black money encourages illegal activities such as corruption, bribery, black marketing, hoarding etc. This creates obstacles in economic development. Economic, political and social instability are created in the economy due to black money. To control black money, demonetization is one of the tools which many countries have adopted.